Alright, good morning everybody. What's really good? Today I got a package in the mail. It's a new top for the Miata. So I'm just gonna open it up and show you guys. It's like a one I got off of eBay. The reviews on it were pretty good, so I'm gonna check it out myself and give it an honest review. Here in a couple days when I got the day off, I'll be installing it. So yeah, I'm gonna open this bad boy up and we'll check it out, see how the quality is and everything. Alright, just went ahead and unboxed it real quick off camera. It's kind of hard to do, so because I'm just filming with one hand. This one is kind of cool. I liked it because it has the rain rail. It's already pre-riveted and installed, so that should make the installation a lot easier. You don't have to worry about putting on no rivets. But I got the tan one. It's gonna go on this car. So yeah, and I'm getting wheels too next, and I'm probably gonna lower it a little bit more, so it's gonna look pretty clean. I'm thinking about taking it to a shop and have the guy like really professionally polish it up, and it should be real clean with the new wheels, new top, and I'm gonna get the tan leather seats and a few other things in there. But yeah, check out the top. It's good quality. This is pretty heavy. It feels just like the original one. The one that's OEM in there. It feels pretty close. Yeah, it's gonna look real nice. You'll be able to see out the window. See the color difference? This one's getting pretty faded and just tore up, you know. It's gonna look a lot nicer once it's on. I always like that tan. So yeah, just stick around a couple days. I just want to show you guys what came in. So in a couple days we're gonna put it on, and it should be a lot nicer. Look at this back window, brand new. My other one got busted by the hail like a few months back, and I've just been letting it sit. So yeah, it sucks. So that's gonna be it for today. Come back and subscribe, check us out. I'm gonna have the install coming too. Peace.